The question now we have to solve is exercise question 2.19. A solution containing 30 gram of non-volatile solute exactly in 90 gram of water has a vapor pressure of 2.8 kilopascal at 298 Kelvin. Further, 18 gram of water is then added to the solution and the new vapor pressure becomes 2.9 kilopascal at 298 Kelvin. Calculate first molar mass of solute, second vapor pressure of water at 298 Kelvin. So this question is based on relative lowering of vapor pressure and we are using that relation, and here are two unknowns, that is molar mass of solute and vapor pressure of solvent. So let us suppose let us assume vapor pressure of water to be X and molar mass of solute to be capital M. Now relative lowering in vapor pressure, I am writing it as RLVP, relative lowering in vapor pressure, that is X minus P solution upon X equal to mole fraction of solute, that is N2 upon N1 plus N2. Now X we have to find, P is given for first case 2.8 kilopascal. So X minus 2.8 upon X equal to N2. Number of moles of solute. So given mass of solute is 30. Molar mass of M we have supposed M divided by number of moles of solvent, that is 90 gram of water is there. So 90 divided by 18 plus 30 upon M. This fraction we can write 1 minus 2.8 upon X equal to 30 into 18 upon 90 M plus 30 into 18. Further we can take 18 as common, so 30 upon 5M plus 30 equal to 1 minus 2.8 upon X. From here we will try to find out the value of X in terms of M. 1 minus 30 upon 5M plus 30 equal to 2.8 upon X. If this part we solve, we will get 5M plus 30 minus 30 upon 5M plus 30 equal to 2.8 upon X. These 30s can be cancelled. So we will get, I am writing it here, 5M upon 5M plus 30 equal to 2.8 upon X, or we can write X equal to 2.8 upon 5M into 5M plus 30. If we take 5 as common, we will get 2.8 m plus 6 upon m equal to x. This we can write equation number 1. Now we will solve for the second part. For second part, we can write relative lowering in vapor pressure RLVP, that is x minus P2 upon x equal to mole fraction of solute, that is n number of moles of solute, so that is 30 upon m upon 30 upon m plus, now 18 gram of water is added in 90 gram of water, so 108 upon 18. So this thing we will get 1 minus, x minus P2 is given 2.9 upon x equal to 30 upon m plus 30 upon m plus 6. So this thing we will get 30 upon 30 plus 6m. At this side, we will get 1 minus 2.9 upon x. So from here, we can find it 1 minus 30 upon 30 plus 6m equal to 2.9 upon x. We'll get as 30 plus 6m minus 30 upon 30 plus 6m equal to 2.9 upon x. These 30s are cancelled, so we'll get 6m upon 30 plus 6m equal to 2.9 upon x. From here we'll get the value of x. So we are taking 6 as common, so 6m upon 6, 5 plus m equal to 2.9 upon x. These 6 are cancelled, we will get x equal to 2.9 upon m into 5 plus m. Now this is equation number 2. You can write this part of calculation because we need to use that part to solving. Now comparing equation 1 and 2. These two are the values of x, so they must be equal because the vapor pressure of water is constant at 298 Kelvin, and that's what we have assumed. the vapor pressure of water to be x. So we can equate it. We will get 2.9 upon m into 5 plus m equal to 2.8 upon m into m plus 6. So these m's are cancelled. Now we are multiplying it. 14.5 plus 2.9 m equal to 2.8 m plus 2.8 into 6. What we will get? 16.8. So we are transferring m. 2.9 minus 2.8 m equal to 16.8 minus 14.5. So this thing we will get 2.3 and this part we will get 0.1 m. So m equal to 2.3 upon 0.1, m equal to 23. So this is the molar mass of solute. That's the answer to first part of the question. Now we will solve the second part, the vapor pressure of water. We can use the value of m in any of these two equations, equation 1 or equation 2. So let's solve for the vapor pressure of water. Second part, vapor pressure of water at 298 Kelvin, x equal to, we are getting here 2.8 m plus 6 upon m, that is 2.8 into 23 plus 6 upon 23, 2.8 into 29 upon 23. We can cancel this, 1, remainder will be 6, it will become 60, 2, 46, then 14 will be remainder, 140 will get, and for 140, 23 into 6 is 138. So 28 into 1.26. So the value of x we will get 28 into 6 is 168. 16 is carried over, 28 into 2 56 plus 16, that is 72. 7 is carried over, 28 into 1 is 28 plus 7 is 35. And calculating decimals, you will get 1, 2 and 3. So 3 places here. 3.528 kilopascal equal to 3.53 kilopascal. That will be the answer to the question.